Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 15th to 19th June 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see here 0.16% positive move. 160.201 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's open a weekly chart first and let's see what happened during a weekly momentum last week. So as you can see, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a bearish candle but with a small very tiny body and a big lower wick and a medium upper wick. Yeah, this is a doji candle. So currently if you don't know what is doji candle, I've already made a candlestick pattern playlist where you can see what is a doji candle. If I talk about stochastic RSI, currently stochastic RSI is at around 62-69 level, which is indicating as a slight negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here you can see some important support and resistance zones are already marked. So let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 160.201 is the closing and the direct support is 160.003. Direct resistance is 160.236. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 159.764 and then 159.444. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 160.503 and then 160.752. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So now let's talk about my opinion. Before that, if you are from India and thinking that how you can trade forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, then you can use those coupon as well as link given in the description. If you think these prop firms have very strict rule, then you can also open your own live forex trading account. If you want to know more about it, you can contact me directly on my WhatsApp number. Now let's talk about my opinion in USD JPY for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 160.236 to 160.503. I'm expecting a closing in this range. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 160.003 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, and you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectations bit positive in this range. Even we can see a momentum in this level as well. Overall, what are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.